Peace and greetings, open minds. J-Rule sends out tons of vibrations of positive energy throughout the universe. To the hard-headed children on Mother Gaia, me too, Mother Goddess, Father God, to the ancestors of my ancestors, so on, so forth, until now. And here I am. Archangels, spiritual guides, guardian angels, indigo children, rainbow children, star seeds, light bearers, light warriors, empaths. To my galactical family, of course. Octurns and Jonons, Palladians, Adlinians, Assyrians, Lurians. Throughout the doggone tribe into the lion's gate. And J-Rule sends out positive energy. Plus signs. And they call it love down here to you all, star seeds. I say to you, to see, but to not only see when you are looking, you must observe. We are but multi-dimensional beings having a human experience. Therefore, it is only right for us not to follow the ways of man, but the ways of Mother Nature. And the universe that we are residing in at this point in time. Star seeds, the reason why I would say these things to you, because I want you to look at all of the illusions that you have seen that have been placed in your mind by the ideology of the man who controls you in ways that you cannot never imagine. However, I just want you to look at all of the results that you have received from man. Man placed in your minds picture of luxury, picture of being successful, picture of becoming the greatest version of who and what you are. Pictures and illusions of hate, greed, lust, murder, envy. These illusions that man has placed in your minds through their media systems and their lie visions into your mind have become the reality of which way you believe that life should be and life should go. And therefore, you are being controlled not by your true nature that's been given to you by Mother Nature, but by the ideology, once again, of man. So now, man tells you or teaches you or makes you believe, because he created the illusions inside of your mind which controls you right now into this point in time. He tells you or he makes you believe that you will die one day and you will go to a heaven, or you will come down and go into some kind of place in which they have in your mind is a hell. If you do not follow the rules and regulation of God, which has been created in your mind by man. So if you do not follow the regulations and the rules of man, then therefore you will be punishing into an eternal hell of misery and suffering. Now this do not make any sense. This is why I say to you, my star seeds, you must follow the ways of nature. Look around. Look at the things that you see around you and tell me, for how long have these things that you see around you been placed on this planet? And no matter what happens, you always see the same changes, the same cycle going on with Mother Nature. You see rot, you see decay, you see death is what they have placed in your mind, that these things that are happening is going on right now at this point in time. No, my star seeds, they are not dead. They just have to rest for a little while. This is the way of nature. There is no such thing as death with nature. You may rest for a little while, but once again the grass will be green, the sun will be shine, and life will be restored. The plants will return and grow. Everything will come back, but everything must rest for a little while that they have you believing is death. So I ask you, my star seeds and enlightened beings, which way would you choose, or which way will you choose to travel? Will you go by the ways of nature and live forever? And evolve forever? Flowing with the flow of the universe, because the universe created nature. Man cannot say that he created nature. Therefore, the universe created nature. So who are you going to flow with? People of the world made by man? Or will you flow with a nature who was created by the universe? I choose to travel with the universe. And regardless of what lies in my path, I still will travel with the universe, because anything that's in my path that is not good for my well-being and my advancement and elevation in this illusional world, the universe will help me to get around it, over it, under it, or zigzag to keep flowing with Mother Nature. J-Rule sends out tons of vibrations to you all. So let my love for you show how much I care. As my words have come to you through the frequency of this atmosphere, they were lyrical jewels that you may capture in the ear. And if they say that I'm in wrong, then who's in hell cares? Ah! Ah! This is my psalm and my first amendment I bear. You reap what you sow. I'm the king of my throne. My third eye is my kingdom. It's the place where my God roams. Ah! 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 So let it be known throughout your wicked world that I am my own ambassador. Subscribe to my channel.